Mecca is the holy city for Muslims, home to the Kaaba, the main direction of prayer, and the Grand Mosque, the most important place of worship. The specialties of Mecca include Qibla place. The Kaaba is Muslims' main direction for prayer, making Mecca a global center of worship. Hajj center. Mecca is the place where the Hajj pilgrimage is carried out, which is an obligation for every capable Muslim. The reward of worship is multiple. Worship in Mecca, especially at the Grand Mosque, gets rewards that are many times higher than in other places. Haram land. Mecca has the status of a haram land, with various prohibitions such as hunting animals, cutting down trees, and taking found items without announcement. Allah's protection. Mecca is a city that is guarded and protected by Allah, so that the Dajjal cannot enter. Birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Mecca is the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad SAW, which is very important in Islamic history. Safe city. Mecca is known as a safe land, because it is forbidden to shed blood and other sinful acts. Mother of other cities. Mecca is considered the mother of other cities in the world. Starting point of Isra Miraj. Mecca is the starting point of the Isra Miraj journey of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Center of worship. Mecca has been a center of worship since ancient times and is a sacred place for Muslims.